Hello, you are welcome once again to BECE Mastery, where real life lesson meets exam excellence. In this video, we are looking at question number 2 of the BECE 2022 paper 2. In this question, we have three sections or three sub questions. We have 2A, 2B, and 2C. So let's start with 2A. 2A, simplify into bracket 1/3 plus 1/12 bracket close, divided by 2/3 minus 5/8. Okay, so as usual, we are going to apply board mass. Okay, we know board mass to be bracket of the order of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So bracket must be done first before we think of order or division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So dealing with the bracket first, we'll find the LCM for each of the fractions in the bracket. So for the first one, the LCM will give us 12. And then we pick 3 to divide 12 as 4 times the numerator here, which will still give us 4. Plus 12 also divide 12 as 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then we bring our division sign. Then we find the LCM for the second term. Again, there we have 3 and 8. The LCM is going to be 24. So 3 can divide 24 as 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. Minus 8 can also divide 24 as 3, and 3 times 5 is 15. So we can simplify this. The left hand side, we have 5 divided by 12, or divided by the right hand, we have 16 minus 15 is 1, divided by 24. Now, we need to simplify this further. 5/12 divided by 1/24. If you want to do division of fractions, we know that we always change the division to multiplication by reciprocating the second part of the work. So we are going to have our 5 divided by 12 times then 24 divided by 1. We can do simple cancellation. 12 can divide itself here and divide here as 2. And 2 times 5 is 10 divided by 1, which of course the same as giving us 10. And so for this very question, the answer is 10. Let's take the second example. So the second question, find the product of 2x minus 3 into brackets, and then 2x plus 3 also into brackets. Find the product. The product simply means the result when we multiply two numbers or variables. And so we have our 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3. We have to simplify or find the product. And so we, as usual, we picked our first term to multiply the second term. So 2x multiplying 2x plus 3. Then the second term, negative 3, also multiplying 2x plus 3 as well. So let's do the expansion. This will multiply this to give us 4x squared, and this will multiply this to give us 6x. Then this 3 will multiply this to give us negative 6x, and the 3 again multiplies that to give us negative 9. You can see here that 6x minus 6x are like terms, so we can subtract that, and that will give us 0. And so we have our 4x squared minus 9. Since the question wants us to find the product of the two algebraic expression will give us 4x squared minus 9. Let's do the last question. In this question, we have the diagram shows an equilateral triangle. We have to find the value of x plus y. When we talk of equilateral triangle, we all know that it is a triangle that has all sides equal and all the interior angles also equal. And so the side here, which is 11, should be the same as the side here, which is 11 as well, and here too should be 11 as well. But then the question is saying that the side here has been expressed as 3x plus 2, and then it should be the same as 11. So we can write the equation and say 3x plus 2 is equals to 11, and we can make s the subject here. So finding the x, we have our 3x is equals to 11 minus 2. 3x is equals to 11 minus 2 will give us 9. When we divide both sides by 3, we have our x is equals to 9 over 3. Therefore, our x is equals to 3. Right. Then we can also say that the side here should still be the same as 11 because all the sides are equal. And so we can also say 2y plus 3 should be equal to 11. So 2y grouping like terms, 11 minus 3, 2y is equals to 8. Dividing both sides by 2, we have 8 divided by 2, and the result is 4. Now, the question wants us to find the value of x plus y. Okay, and our value x plus y will be, the x value gave us 3, y value gave us 4. And so x plus y is 7. And that becomes the answer. I'm very sure that this video has really helped you to revise your knowledge with triangle, especially equilateral triangle having all sides equal and all interior angles equal. Again, we've also revised our knowledge with expansion and simplification of algebraic expression, and then we've also learned about fractions and how to add, subtract, divide and multiply fractions. I'm sure this has been a blessing to you. Thanks so much for watching.